Need to fast track your training for your sales teams, technical staff, or new hires? Meet urgent training needs with the best AI powered video creation solutions. Faster, smarter, and more engaging than ever before. At CommLab India, we offer rapid video development with AI tools like Synthesia and Vyond Go, delivering instructionally sound scripting and design, end-to-end development, multilingual translations. From comprehensive software training to onboarding and product demos, we simplify complex topics and make learning stick. Our videos demonstrate, explain, and stimulate, so your learners can learn at their pace with real-world clarity. With over 3,500 plus minutes of content delivered, our expert spans microlearning, scenario-based videos, animated explainers, interactive quizzes, and much more. Train your multi-generational workforce with flexible, self-paced video learning. From safety to software, sales to leadership, we have got you covered. Using the latest AI tools, we combine creativity, speed, and instructional design to deliver cost-effective, scalable training solutions. Our clients love the quality, speed, and results. Whether you need one video or 100, we deliver consistent excellence. Let's make your training impactful, engaging, and future ready. Share your need, and we'll bring it to life.